Have you ever wondered how your furry friend experiences time? It's a fascinating concept to ponder. We humans have clocks, calendars, and a constant awareness of time's passage. Our lives are dictated by schedules, deadlines, and the ticking of the clock. But for our beloved dogs and cats, time is a different beast altogether. Their world is not governed by minutes and hours. Their perception is shaped by instincts, senses, and the rhythm of their daily lives. They rely on their keen senses to navigate through their day. Imagine a world without deadlines or schedules, where the present moment reigns supreme. This is the essence of their existence. That's the world your pet inhabits, a world where each moment is savoured and experienced fully. They don't experience time as a linear progression, but as a flow of experiences. Each day is a series of events that blend seamlessly into one another. A walk in the park, a chance to explore new scents and sights, a nap in a sunbeam, basking in the warmth and comfort, a tasty treat. These are the events that mark their days, simple pleasures that bring joy and contentment. This is not to say that our pets are completely oblivious to time. They have an innate sense of routine. They learn our routines and anticipate events like mealtimes and walks. Their excitement is palpable when they know something special is about to happen. But their understanding of time is more fluid and less structured than ours. They live in the moment, free from the constraints of the clock. They live in a world of sensory information, where smells, sounds and sights hold the keys to understanding the passage of time. It's a beautiful, instinct-driven existence that we can only begin to understand. We humans measure time in seconds, minutes and hours. We fret over deadlines and count down the days until the weekend, always racing against the clock. Our pets, on the other hand, have a more relaxed approach to life. They experience time through the lens of their senses and their immediate needs, living in the moment. A dog's world is painted in scents, each one telling a different story. Every sniff tells a story, revealing who's been around, what they ate, and how long ago they passed by. It's like reading a newspaper for them. This olfactory landscape is constantly changing, providing dogs with a unique way to track the passage of time. A fading scent means more time has elapsed, while a fresh one signals a recent event. It's their way of understanding the world. Cats, too, have their own ways of perceiving time, often unnoticed by us. They are creatures of habit and routine, and they notice even subtle changes in their environment, which can be quite significant for them. A shifted furniture arrangement, a new scent in the air, or a change in their feeding schedule, these all register as temporal markers in their world, helping them navigate their day. For dogs, the world is a giant scratch and sniff card, filled with endless layers of information waiting to be uncovered. Every walk is an opportunity to update their olfactory database, sniffing out the comings and goings of the neighborhood, and piecing together the stories left behind by other animals and people. This constant influx of scent information helps them build a temporal map of their surroundings, allowing them to understand not just who was there, but when they were there. Imagine you're walking your dog in the park, a routine that seems simple to us, but is a treasure trove of data for them. He stops to sniff a lamppost, his nose twitching as he inhales the complex cocktail of scents, each one a clue in the narrative of the park. He's not just enjoying the aromas, he's gathering information, decoding the layers of scent to understand the recent history of that spot. The strength and freshness of the scents tell him how long ago another dog passed by, painting a vivid picture of recent events and interactions. This reliance on scent to track time explains why dogs get so excited when you return home, even if you've only been gone for a short while. To them, your scent has faded, signaling your absence. The sudden reappearance of your scent is a joyous event, a signal that their beloved human is back. They may not know you've been gone for precisely 20 minutes, but they know you were gone, and now you're back. This intricate dance of scents and time is a testament to the incredible olfactory abilities of dogs, making every reunion a moment of pure joy and excitement. Section 4. Short goodbyes versus long farewells. Have you noticed that your dog's reaction to your departure differs depending on how long you'll be gone? A quick trip to the store might elicit a few tail wags and a hopeful look, while a full day at the office can trigger anxiety and distress. This difference in reaction highlights the nuanced way dogs perceive time. They may not understand the concept of hours, but they can distinguish between short and long absences based on changes in their routine and the fading of familiar scents. Cats, too, exhibit different behaviors depending on the length of their owner's absence. A short absence might be met with indifference, while a longer one can lead to clinginess or vocalizations upon the owner's return. This suggests that cats, despite their independent reputation, also form temporal expectations based on their daily routines. Section 5. The heart remembers the scent. One of the most heartwarming aspects of the human-animal bond is our pet's ability to recognize us even after long periods of separation. Dogs have been known to remember their owners after years apart, their tails wagging furiously at the first whiff of a familiar scent. This remarkable feat is a testament to the power of olfactory memory. A dog's sense of smell is so acute that it can store and recall a vast library of scents, including the unique scent signature of their beloved humans. Cats, while perhaps more subtle in their displays of affection, also possess impressive long-term memory. They may not greet you with the same ecstatic enthusiasm as a dog, but a slow blink, a gentle purr, or a head boop are all clear signs of recognition and affection. Section 6. Time travelers of the animal kingdom. The way animals perceive time varies widely across the animal kingdom. Some creatures, like mice and other small mammals, live life in the fast lane. Their metabolisms run high, their heartbeats are rapid, and their perception of time is accelerated. This allows them to react quickly to threats and take advantage of fleeting opportunities. On the other end of the spectrum, we have animals like elephants, whose long lifespans and slow metabolisms give them a more measured perception of time. They live life at a slower pace, their movements are deliberate, and their reactions appear more measured. These differences in time perception highlight the incredible diversity of the animal kingdom. Each species has evolved to experience time in a way that best suits its ecological niche and survival needs. Section 7. Timeless bonds, our companions in time. While we may never fully understand how our pets perceive time, one thing is certain. The bond we share transcends the boundaries of clocks and calendars. They live in the moment, savoring each pat, each walk, each shared experience. Their perception of time may be different from ours, but their capacity for love, loyalty, and companionship is a timeless treasure. So the next time you catch your dog gazing at you with unwavering devotion, or your cat rubbing against your leg with purrs of contentment, remember that you are witnessing a bond that transcends the constraints of time. We encourage you to share your own heartwarming stories about your pets and their unique ways of experiencing time.